Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make this easy, healthy, and refreshing carrot cucumber salad recipe. And here are the prepared ingredients. Here I prepared tablespoon of sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons of apple vinegar, 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, teaspoon of soy sauce, 2 cloves of smashed garlic, 3 pieces of cucumber, and 3 pieces of peeled carrots, and slice string onion. Let's get started. Using our peeler, let's make a ribbon slice. Let's start with the carrot. And then with the first one, let's do the remaining, the same procedure. And then with the carrot, let's do the same with the cucumber, the same procedure. Done with the first one, and let's do the remaining. And done. Then making sliced ribbon, set aside. With the empty bowl, let's make the sauce. Let's combine all the prepared ingredients: vinegar, sesame oil, soy sauce, smashed garlic, sliced green onion, our sesame seeds, and a teaspoon of salt, and combine all together. Mix it well. And done. And now let's pour in our sauce into our prepared carrot and cucumber. And let's mix them well. Flavorful smell. And done. Our easy, healthy, and refreshing carrot cucumber salad is ready to serve.